Policy Resolution 10, JP Brower, video.
Hello everyone, I'm JP Brower, a director in the Lacombe Panoka CA. Policy Resolution 10 proposes that the UCP believes in strengthening the legal ability of every Albertan to protect themselves, their families, and their property. Right now, too many law-abiding people feel uncertain about what they're allowed to do in a dangerous situation. This resolution addresses that. We should improve the legal framework so Albertans have clearer, stronger support when they're forced to defend what matters most. A society is safer when good people know the law has their back and when criminals know Albertans are protected. If you believe families deserve stronger protection and clearer rights, I'm asking you to support Policy Resolution 10.
Historic moment. We've never had a video from the International Space Station before. Mr. Tulk.
First, if I may, Gore Tulk, Red Deer South, can I beg a point of clarification of the proposer? I'm trying to get some understanding of what legal capacity means. What are we doing here?
Can we reconnect to the station?
Space station? Where's Elon Musk when you need him?
Mr. Tulk, I think we're not going to get the clarification.
Which causes me concern. Policy books need to be somewhat concise and understandable as what the mission is here. Frankly, I'm not a lawyer. I don't understand what they mean by increasing legal capacity. We shouldn't be padding our policy book with words and phrases that we really don't understand what they intend to do. Thank you.
Mr. Glantz.
So he talks about the fact that it's very vague, we don't exactly know what it's going to do. But we know exactly what this resolution is supposed to do. It's supposed to put families, children, and homeowners first, not low-life, sick-minded criminals who are going to break into your home and destroy everything you own. We're not putting that first. We are conservatives. We will put law-abiding citizens first.
Yes, ma'am. Would you like to speak in favor of the criminal element?
Michelle Badalek. So I understand the reasons behind this policy, and I support self-defense and protecting our homes, and I truly believe that we should have castle law nationwide. But Alberta, we cannot rewrite the federal laws. That's the problem. So if we pass something that we know won't stand, we're going to give people false hope, and we could leave them very legally vulnerable and misinformed. We don't want them to commit crimes. So real safety comes from the laws that we can actually enforce and not the ones we wish we could. I wish we could, guys.
Thank you. Final word to the proponent.
Chris Moen, PPGC. I heard from JP Brower. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it for the close. But thank you.
Thank you for that heartfelt submission, Mr. Moen. I'm persuaded. Policy Resolution number 10. All those in favor, please. Opposed? We're going to do that again, please. So let's start again. All those in favor? All right. Down, please. All those opposed? I'm sorry. We need to count, I think. So we have our volunteers. They're going to come out into your area. Please follow their directions, including putting your card down when they indicate to you that they've already counted you. This will take a few minutes, but not very many. It is the price of democracy. All right. All those in favor of Policy Resolution 10, please raise your card and leave it up until the counter indicates by some manner that you can now drop it. Can we make sure we have a counter into the back corner, please? Of course, this is what happens when you sit in the far left.
There's also just a couple.
And there's still some in the middle. Can we just make sure we've got the counters covering both of those sections? Middle, back, and far corner. All right, thank you. Can we now have all those opposed to resolution number 10, please? Please raise your cards, and again, leave them up until the counter indicates otherwise. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, while we have an unexpected moment, I know you'll all be pleased to know that my good friend and co-chair, David, has been doing his best to promote family since you saw him last, and he's now the proud father of George Frederick Price. George Frederick, the future Premier of Alberta, is 7 months old, and I went out to the swag shop looking for something suitable. The party board may want to take a note or two from Mr. Glanz, because we don't seem to have a lot for kids out there. So there are no toddler outfits. I was offered a man's small T-shirt, which seemed a little excessive for a 7-month-old, but I was able to find a rubber ducky. So David, and this is no ordinary rubber ducky. It says on it, first of all, it's got a cowboy hat and dark glasses and a cowboy scarf, and on the side it says United Conservatives. So David, congratulations on behalf of all of us. There you go.
Well, thank you very much, Blair. And a tip for the merch folks, maybe they can start hawking some baby onesies of the sleeveless variety, message on it, the right to bear arms. Might be a bestseller.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the voting results on policy resolution number 10. 1,857 of you have voted. That's a pretty good number. In favor, 1099, opposed 758, 59%. Motion is passed.
That takes us to resolution number 11.